Are you looking for the best water bottles? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best water bottles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best water bottle for most needs. Reliable and versatile, the 24-ounce hydro flask wide mouth with flex jug cap is best for people who favor simple objects that do one thing well, whether you're sitting at a desk, commuting on a subway, or working out at the gym. A hydro flask bottle of any kind is reliable. This insulated, double-walled stainless steel water bottle has a powder-coated exterior, a permanent, lightly textured coating, and a plastic cap. As with all our insulated picks, its steel core means that, unlike some aluminum competitors, this bottle won't dent easily when dropped. Unlike glass bottles, this bottle won't have issues with the bottom cracking. And unlike plastic bottles, it won't deteriorate over time. And, in our testing, Hydro Flask kept water perceptibly colder. We've chosen Hydro Flask bottles for this guide since we first published it in 2014. Hydro Flask has had an excellent track record through our years of testing, and it backs its bottles with a limited lifetime warranty. That's the bottle. But everything depends on the cap. Like many of our insulated picks, the Hydro Flask lid contains a silicone ring. If this ring fails or falls out of alignment, the bottle is far more likely to leak. We haven't had any issues throughout our testing, but it's something to be aware of if your bottle starts developing a leak. Though we recommend any variation of Hydro Flask's bottle, we prefer the model with the flex jug cap because, unlike the standard mouth design, our previous pick, it completely covers and protects the surface you put to your lips when you drink. You can use this bottle shape with 3 other lids, as well: the flex cap, the flex sip lid, for hot drinks, and the flex straw cap. Most Hydro Flask caps are made of plastic and all are BPA free. Size options: ounces 24, 32, 40, 64. Lids available: flex jug cap, included, flex cap, flex sip lid, flex straw cap. Number 2. Best water bottle for lid losers. It all starts with an excellent attached lid. This double-walled, stainless steel bottle is marketed to gym goers. But even if you're not seeking a water bottle for working out, the Takaya Actives bottle has a lid that's a total standout. The plastic top features a spout with a twist-on flip cap. Spout lids flow as easily as if you were drinking from an open glass, yet they won't splash you with the bottle's contents as you're cantering down the sidewalk or powering through a sweaty treadmill workout. The spout lid on the Takaya Actives bottle stands out because you can lock it after you flip it open, so it doesn't hit your face. And when it's closed, it covers the drinking surface completely. Takaya also offers a straw lid, which you can purchase separately. We tested the straw lid, and it was leak-free. We recommend getting one if you primarily want to drink from this bottle while driving. It's wide enough for you to add ice or extras. The whole thing twists off to reveal a 2.25-inch wide mouth opening, so you can add whatever you like. Load the bottle with ice, add an electrolyte powder, plop in some lemon wedges. This diameter is pretty standard, though, across all the bottles we tested with wide access caps, such as the Hydro Flask bottle. Size options: ounces 18, 22, 24, 32, 40, 64. Lids available: spout lid, included, straw lid. Dishwasher safe, yes, but hand washing is recommended. Number 3. Best water bottle for straw lovers. It has a great straw that's easy to open. This stainless steel bottle's integrated steel straw is set inside a twisting plastic cap. The twist cap is designed so you don't need to touch the straw to pull it free. A simple twist on the side of the cap rotates the lid straw up into place. Inside the bottle, the plastic drinking tip connects to a metal straw. In contrast, the Aula uses a plastic interior straw. For people who prefer to keep plastic out of their drinking water, the Rotara is a better choice. Closed, the cap is completely leak-free. And the bottle fits in a cup holder and is easy to sip from while you're keeping your eyes on the road, great for drivers. It's easy to drink from. If you have daily hydration goals, there's something about the simplicity of drinking from a straw that seems to make it easier to reach that goal. We tested this bottle in the 25-ounce size, which was the closest to our preferred 24 ounces, but the Rottera comes in 3 other sizes as well. We also liked the 35-ounce size, which would be easy to fill once, or twice, and to position next to your laptop, where you could grab it and hit your goal for the day. Size options: ounces 15, 25, 35, 65. Dishwasher safe: yes, except for the lid, hand washing is recommended for it. If you want a bottle that's easy to open and simple to sip from, the 25-ounce Brewmate Rottera is an excellent choice. Number 4. Best bottle for one-handed use. You just pop it open to take a sip. Aula's biggest fans seem to always have their hands full. It seems shocking somehow that a bottle like the Free Sip hasn't existed sooner. Clicking open a lid with one thumb, sipping from the bottle without having to lift your head, or take your eyes off the road or your children, while also having the option to chug water from the insulated stainless steel bottle when you need it, is wonderfully satisfying. The Sway is better than the original Free Sip. In our opinion, the Free Sip Sway improves in almost every way upon the original Aula Free Sip. Our biggest caveat about the original design was its propensity to pop open in bags if the push button was accidentally exposed. No longer. The Sway locks with a very effective physical lever that blocks the lid from opening. Also, the Sway bottle is tapered at the bottom, so it fits in car cup holders more naturally than the original. And lastly, the 30-ounce Sway is only a little larger than the original 24-ounce Free Sip, but it has a larger handle. Basically, with the Free Sip Sway, you can carry more water in a bottle that's almost the same size as the original Free Sip, is easier to carry, and locks. It's great for families. Overwhelmingly, parents including Wirecutter staffers and long-term testers have told me how easy the Aula Free Sip bottle is to use for their children. One tester pointed out that a single 40-ounce bottle could replace individual bottles for all her kids. Her youngest could sip from the bottle, while her oldest could pour from it. And even on a plane, the large bottle was enough for all of them. The slim profile of the bottle itself also makes it easier to carry for smaller hands, child or adult. During our testing, we discovered that this fandom extended well into the ranks of our coworkers, who have, in their ownership, put in far more extended hours of testing than I could ever do alone. It's the best water bottle I've ever had. Love that there's the sip, great in the car, mid-workout, for a 2-year-old, as well as pour, said Lauren Sullivan, editorial director. I never lose them, and neither do my kids because of the bright, recognizable colors. Size options: ounces 30, 40. Lids available, just one, with an integrated straw and sip top. Dishwasher safe, lid, cup is hand washable.